How to report a seller on Etsy. Hi guys, in this video you would learn how you can report a seller on Etsy. So how can you report a seller on Etsy? Just watch this video till the end. The first step is to sign in into your Etsy account by typing domain name for Etsy, which is www.etsy.com. And then once you type it out and you're brought to the home page, this is how the home page looks like. You either see some categories here, or you'll see the last item you viewed, just like mine is displaying. And then for you to be able to report an item, you would have to select the item whose seller you'd like to report. So for me, I'll be selecting this item. Now, when I select it, you'll be directed to the listings page where you can see similar items to that, as well as details about the item. So you can see that you can see the option only one is available, the amount to be paid, returns accepted. So you can just scroll down, you can see buy it now, you can see add to cart, you can see add to collection. So you can decide to add this to collection if you want to, and then you can now scroll down. The next step is to scroll down until you see the option report this item to Etsy. This function is available for all of the products on Etsy. Once you're on the listings page, just scroll down until you can see the option report this item to Etsy. So once you click on it, a box will be displayed at the middle of the screen asks you to choose a reason. So it could be any of these reasons. There's a problem with my order, it's using my intellectual property, I do not think, whatever it is, click on it, and then just like that, the report will be sent to Etsy. So this is how you can report a seller on Etsy. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.